recording. I turned a lot out now. Whoa. There's a lot of nanos.
Running dead?
Oh, they're all dead, but they're just speedy right now because they've been off for a while. Y'all are going to be really, really fast and keep going. They're all dead.
This one's still going up fast.
I bet some are lost just because they fell out. Wait, how many black and green ones do you have over there?
Just these two.
Two of them? Two black and greens?
Two just black.
Oh, here's they are. These two are the really dead ones.
We only got 3 fast ones. Actually, 4 fast ones.
There's a few going fast, but they will get slow right away.
Look, it's seeing through the tunnel here. It's seeing through the slide.
Oh, okay.
Right here.
Oh, my new one. Oh. That came with that set. Uh-oh, I see it stuck. Whoa, this black one's good. It's like the black
I'm glad I got my bridge battle.
Me too, but mine was running off mine too, just like yours.
Yeah, but mine is still working good. Guess what? You know what's something's wrong? My black one that came with the bridge battle keeps on beating the white one. And guess what? My green glow in the dark is the world champion because he beat all of my experts. He beat all of them.
He didn't work this one time.
All. He beat every single one of my hex bugs except for himself.
My green doesn't. Well, not on mine. Maybe mine would on yours. Oh, this is other green.
Hey, gravity! My favorite.
Yeah, the new ones look really different now, which I'm getting more faces with the legs. See, they're getting really bad. It looks really different. Dead first.
I'm gonna close the game.
Oh, well, I was going to do that first battle and hybrid one.
Yeah, I got the hive and the construction set together.
Why don't you because you can watch them time.
I got pretty much all the fast ones in here.
The one that causes trouble over here.
Two of them went through.
Uh-oh, this is down.
He's not all the way dead.
Yeah, but he actually did run. He's not all the way dead. He's just looking down. Too bad it's still not dead.
textbook for this one. I'm gonna get a new one though.
Yeah, but this is not the same.
Actually, they're the same at Barnes and Noble.
They changed colors after.
No, they didn't. Not at Barnes and Noble. They still have the full box full. Except for the bridge battle. I got the last bridge battle.